Welcome back. In this video, we will learn some basic Linux terminal commands that every Raspberry Pi user should know. The terminal is a text-based interface where commands are typed to control the system. It may look difficult at first, but it is very powerful and makes many tasks faster. You can open the terminal from the menu or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl, Alt, and T together. The first command is ls. This command lists all the files and folders in the current directory. When you type ls and press enter, you will see the contents of the folder you are currently in. The next command is cd, which stands for change directory. This command is used to move between folders. For example, typing cd documents will move into the documents folder. Typing cd two dots will take you back to the previous folder. To create a new folder, we use the mkdir command. For example, typing mkdir projects will create a new folder named projects. This is useful for organizing Raspberry Pi projects. Nano is a simple text editor that works inside the terminal. To create or edit a file, you can type nano followed by the file name, such as nanotest.py. Inside nano, you can type your text or code. To save the file, press Ctrl and O, then press Enter. To exit nano, press Ctrl and X. The rm command is used to delete files. For example, rmtest.py will delete the file name test.py. This command should be used carefully because deleted files cannot be recovered easily. Another important command is sudo apt update. This command updates the list of available software packages on the system. The word sudo gives administrator permission. Running this command regularly helps keep the system up to date and stable. Today we learned some essential commands including ls, cd, mkdir, nano, rm, and sudo apt update. These commands form the foundation for working efficiently on Raspberry Pi. In the next video, we will move on to GPIO pins and start interacting with real hardware, which is where Raspberry Pi becomes even more interesting.